Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run Microsoft PowerPoint as an administrator on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for PowerPoint. Best match should come back with PowerPoint. You can either select Run as Administrator on the right panel here, or you can right-click on the best match result and select Run as Administrator. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And that's all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process. If you had a file on your desktop or in a documents folder or something along those lines, you could just right-click on the file and then select Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.